Subscribe dahil sa kuan sa imong sister. Nga ba?
Morning nga. If you come to Cebu, you have to experience the Utang Visayan. Kunya, we subak a little bit of fish inside, fried fish. Subak.
Ang shrimp sana mas spicy gamay.
You can taste the freshness of the vegetable. You know, it's all mixed. It's sort of like the halo-halo version of the soup. That's what it is. Utan it's like whatever you can find in whatever you can find that's already ready to be harvested on your backyard.
Ipil is included?
No.
Nice?
There's no limitation what you can put inside.
Thanks to the organic cook.
Organic cook. You can put gabi inside.
Oh, naman ipil diha. Oh, sama-sama diha. Bisa.
And I want to invite everybody to subscribe to my beautiful sister's YouTube channel. It's called Filipina Dessert Gardener. Dessert, not dessert. Dessert Gardener. This is, by the way, this is Chef Joel. I'm based of Honolulu, Hawaii. We run and operate Tiano's restaurant. So if any one of you watching this and happen to be in Hawaii, come and see us at Tiano's. We serve Filipino American and Hawaiian cuisine. But I'm not here to cook. I'm here to enjoy the labor of everybody else who's cooking here. Right now we're currently in Karkar, Cebu, in my brother's house. Oh, I wanna give him a shout out to my brother. Shout out to my brother John, wife Amy, however you wanna say it. Thank you. We crashed your house.
Thank you from the deepest of our heart.
From the bottom of our hearts. This is our last lunch in a little while. We're leaving to Manila and we're enjoying the authentic Visayan food. Thank you to everyone who give us their hospitality every time we're here. So we're enjoying our late lunch or early lunch, 12 o'clock. So can't find it like this. You know, we do serve good food back in Hawaii, but when we're here, you really can feel the love by sharing the food that we have here. You know, you cannot duplicate this utan.
Visayan
The Visayan utan back home. We can make this almost as good, but not as good. So I want to share everybody. And then this one right here, can you see it? This one right here. Oh my God. And then with a little bit of show you, it's almost like escabeche. And then this one right here, we kind of imitated the Hawaiian version of garlic shrimp, but we're short on paprika, so it's almost as good as Hawaiian shrimp. Spin the camera over there. Hey, Chef Myra. Say hi.
Hello.
She's my teacher. Teacher.
Tita.
Mm-hmm.
Tita.
So everybody's doing good.
Mama na sila. Bilis mo naman kakain.
Till next time.
Till next time. We will eat more. I'm wet. My back.
Singot.
Yummy, yummy.
Again, Filipina dessert gardener. Hi.
Subo ang anong sabon, organic. Umutan ba? Utan, no more utan. Purot na o. Halin kayo utan nilang kuan oy. Kasaya utan. Sa chef, organic chef. Lamit tanan. Anay, nabukog ko.
Ang itlog na wala may. Naiwan eh.
Ang itlog? Kain na ng pobre.
Anyway, I wanna plug in my brother's resort. It's called Tabel Mountain Resort.
Tabel Park Mountain Resort.
Tabel Park Mountain Resort in Sayao, Sibunga. Beautiful place to have a get together. You know, they have a swimming pool. They have a view deck shaped like a boat. It's a good place to have a date or have a get together party, just like what we did about 2 days ago.
It's like
So,
you're
please
gonna have
look.
a wedding.
Yes, look it up on YouTube. You can see all the amenities they offer, and if you make some arrangement ahead of time, they can they can have catering with you along with the accommodation. So I really wanna invite you guys to look it up and then give them a call.
Leave a message. Comment below.
Oh yeah, comment on your channel. Then you can help facilitate. Maybe they can give you an endorsement of information. Yeah. But anyway, that's owned by my brother, June Campo. I'm Campo, by the way. My middle name is Campo, but my last name is Navasca. Again, Tabel Mountain Resort, located in Sayao, Sibunga, Cebu. Beautiful place. You're not gonna regret it. It's a little bit challenging to get there, but once you get there, it'll make it all worth it. You can have an overnight stay. You can have, you can have event during the day. Again, it's a family-friendly resort. You can bring kids. They have activities for the kids. So look it up and comment right here below, right here.
Yay!
And then again, please visit my beautiful sister's YouTube channel. She likes to share a lot of things with everybody. I'm new to this, so pardon my my accent, very heavy French accent, but actually Cebuano accent. Can you look at the face? It's authentic Cebuano face. So again, thank you, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And then if you guys gonna help me and have a lot of views on this feature, thank you sister for featuring me. Who knows, I might come back and create my own channel that has to do with culture, cooking, and just to share what we go through on a daily basis. So please don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the bell. In that way, if she have any new videos, you can get notified.
Awesome.
And help her pay the bill. Who knows, she can make a few dollars. And then she can continue on making more videos for everybody to enjoy. Aloha.